If I am slightly more fidgety than usual in this video, please bear with me. It is because I've been terribly itchy. Sorry if I am seen scratching myself in this video. Those of you who are comparatively new on this channel, who started watching only with this Advent calendar season, may think that I'm this awful killjoy who's a cynical person who finds fault with everything. Hang on, I'm going to link a video in the description box and here, and either once this is done or right now, you can come back later. I want you to watch this video and find out how much I have praised, raved about, gone gaga over, loved and been completely blown away by the thing that I'm showing you in the video. And in this video, that is today's video, the one that you're watching right now, I'm not happy at all. As I've been telling you from my third Advent calendar price breakdown video of this year, 2020, we're seeing a huge change in the quality, in terms of curation, in terms of repeats, in terms of hyped up value, jacked up value, in terms of grandiose claims about how discovery sizes are all full-sized, in terms of product repetition, in terms of price tat that's not even beauty, in terms of complete nonsense being palmed off on us. If you watch the video that I have linked, the one that I'm asking you to watch, you'll realize how the extent of this change. You can see it for yourself. So what is that video? It is about the Selfridges beauty collection for her in 2019. Now let's move on to the 2020 Selfridges beauty collection for her. Packaging is similarly, in a rain wash bag. Price £100 like last year. Number of contents 19. Last year we had 17. Right, let's see what's inside. 111 Skin Black Diamond Eye Mask Under Eye Patches, single, retailing, standalone retail price of 12 quid. Second product, Dr. Barbara Sturm Calming Serum, full size, 30 mils, £175. You'll tell me that this is amazingly good value. Here's the thing. All of Dr. Barbara Sturm's products are priced like this. The hyaluronic serum contains sodium hyaluronate, and that is priced at £235, people. Now this one, the calming serum, it contains sweet almond oil, sunflower oil, lactobacillus ferment, vitamin E and radish root filtrate. This is the Pyongyangul Moisture Ampoule. It contains radish root filtrate. This is 100 mils, and mind you, the Barbara Sturm Calming Serum is 30 mils, yeah? And this costs what, £15? I can't remember. £18, I think it is. 15 or £18, yeah? So while I'm aware that Omorovitsa and Dr. Seba are already high-end brands, Barbara Sturm takes it to a whole different level altogether. While the products themselves are supposedly good according to a lot of people who've tried the samples they've received, I really think the price point is £175 for 30 mils. No, and your calming serum, sweet almond oil and sunflower oil. Yeah, my skin doesn't get calmed by those things. It actually gets inflamed by those things. The next thing is the Christophe Regenerating Mask with the rare prickly pear oil. 50 mils you get, that is not full size. 250 is full size. Let's not count this. While I love this mask, it's not full size, people. Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Universal Daily Peel. 5 treatments you get of those, sachets. Yeah, not counting 30 sachets is full size. Lom Rescue Mask 25 mils is next, not counting it. Penhaligon's Elisabethan Rose Sample Perfume, not counting it. Frank Creamy Face Scrub, not counting it, 35 mils. It's a pouch. The Inkey List Hyaluronic Acid, 30 mils, is full-sized. That retails at £5.99. The next product, also full-sized, is Kevyn Aucoin Mascara, Volume Mascara you get, full-sized at £22. The next product is the LanoLips Lano Golden Dry Skin Salve. 25 grams you get, 50 grams is full. This is standalone retail, yeah, not full-size. And the weird part is that the 50-gram full-size retails at £17.99, while the half-size standalone retail size of 25 grams retails at £11.99. So why on earth would anybody even buy the 25-gram thing? Because it doesn't cost half the full size. Yeah, half of 50 mils. It costs £11.99, while full size 50 mils, double that, is £17.99. So you might as well buy the full size there. The next product is the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Dry Shampoo, travel size. I think we got this in the Space Center Advent Calendar, yeah. Next is the Oskia I Wonder. This is 10 mils you get. That retails at £52. So that is the sort of big ticket skincare in this Advent Calendar, the Oskia Under Eye Cream. Paula's Choice Skin Perfecting 2% BHA Liquid. Full size again, 118 mils, £28. We've seen this exact same thing last year. They sent up the exact same product last year, so product repeat alert. Next we have the Philip Kingsley, thankfully not elasticizer, bodybuilding shampoo 60 mils and bodybuilding conditioner 20 mils. Here's the thing, why on earth would you send 60 mils of a shampoo and just 20 mils of conditioner? I don't know about you, but I use about a golf ball of conditioner per use, yeah, long hair people, and very little shampoo. So I run through condition more than I run through shampoo. And you're sending me 60 mils shampoo and 20 mils conditioner, not fun. And then we have the Pixi Rose Tonic. You get 100 mils. That does have a standalone retail price at 10 quid, but full size is 250 mils. So let's not count this. Next we have the Peter Thomas Roth Water Drench Cleanser, 30 mils, again not full size. And then the Rodial Pink Diamond Sheet Mask. We saw the exact same sheet mask last year, so 2 product repeats so far. Pack of 8 is full size. Now I'm going to count this. Lastly, this works. Deep Sleep Pillow Spray, 10 mils sample. I highly recommend that you watch my video of the Selfridges Beauty Collection for her 2019 ASAP before you think that this is actually good in any manner whatsoever. This has, I don't even know where to start. So tell you what, let's do a price breakdown. I am not going to count the Dr. BS at present. It's 175. Yeah, so I'm not going to count that for now. So there are 5 full sizes. The Barbara Sturm, the Inkey Hyaluronic Acid, the Kevyn Aqua Mascara, the Oskia I Wonder, and the Paula's Choice. There are 2 sheet masks. The 111 Skin Black Diamond Eye Mask and the Pink Rodial Sheet Mask. Yeah, 2 packaged masks, under eye and sheet mask. Fine, let's call them a sheet mask for now. That is in addition to those 5 full sizes. There are 2 standalone retail sizes, Pixi Rose Tonic and the LanoLips, yeah? Last year, there were 11 full sizes, including 1 sheet mask. So remove that 1 sheet mask and you still get 10 full sizes. Now, prices. Keeping the Barbara Sturm aside for now, let's count the Diamond Eye Mask. Fine, 12 quid. Inkey 5.99, Kevyn Aucoin 22, Oskia Wonder Eye 52, Paula's Choice 28. You get £121. Yeah, you pay 100. That's not budgetary. You pay 100 and get products for 121. Here's the thing. Last year you paid 100 and got products for 410. Now, mind you, I haven't counted that Barbara Sturm, and that is £175. And that alone exceeds the cost of the bag. But here's the thing, that would be like including 12 different Avant products and saying that this costs £4,200 or whatever, you know, make it up as you go along. Or, you know, yeah, not what I would do. That is why I am talking about Barbara Sturm's calming serum separately here. While it retails at £175 and, you know, the cost is more than the cost of the box, I'm counting everything else and seeing if it tallies to the cost of the box. There were 17 products inside the Selfridges Beauty Collection last year, of which 11 were full-sized. 11. We aren't seeing 11 full sizes out of 25 in advent calendars. This is 11 out of 17. And I am not talking about discovery sizes or standalone retail sizes. I am talking about full-size people. That's what I'm talking about. So what were they? Omorovitsa Daily Vitamin C full size 30 mils, £87. Dr. Seba Rose Divi Hydrating Mask full size £74, 100 mils. This was a sleeping mask. Paula's Choice 2% BHA, 180 mils, 28 quid. Yeah, let's not. I mean, this is a product that we have seen before. Zova Contour Brush, £10. Frank Body Lip Balm, 15 mils, full size, £6.95. Dr. Jart Shake and Short Hydro Mask, full size, again £8. The thing that you shake after mixing and then apply. Rodial Pink Diamond Sheet Mask, not counting that. I'm telling you only the full sizes here. Dermalogica Multivitamin Power Firm Serum 15 ml, full size, £47. Eve Lom Brightening Cream 50 ml, full size, £75. Slip Silk Scrunchies, full box of £39, all 6 scrunchies. This is such a tongue twister. Pixi Glow Tonic Pads, box of 60, full price, retailing at 20 quid. Sol de Janeiro Hand Cream, 50 ml, full size, £15. So together, just those 11 products that I mentioned here come up to £410.45, and the cost of the collection was £100. The products that were here were proper big person skincare, Morovitsa's oil-free vitamin C, very, very gentle on the skin. Dr. Sebov's sleeping mask, and I even like the Eve Lom brightening cream, believe it or not. So this was a wonderful curation, and if you watch my video, I tell you over and over in that video that I think this is the best curation ever. The problem here is that compared to last year's curation, this falls completely flat, and this works pillow spray, oh my god. And under eye patches, I am completely disappointed by this year's curation. I think I was very much looking forward to the Selfridges beauty collection for her, having thoroughly loved last year's. My friend Inkey actually told me that she had her doubts about the quality this year because, these brands all start out very well and then, they lose the plot. You don't really find that consistency. And you can't expect, 2 years in a row of great things. Turns out that she's completely right. Yeah, I compared to last year's, I didn't even know where to begin here. Very, very disappointing to say the least. Now let's take a quick look at the men's bag, his bag. 111 Skin Sub-Zero Eye Mask, oh dear god, 12 quid. Anthony Shave Cream, full size, £18. Barbara Sturm Anti-Pollution Drops, 10 ml, full size is 30 ml, so now I'm going to count this. Babo CBD Sheet Mask, here we go, sheet mask. Comme des Garçons, 9 ml of perfume, sample. Christophe Robin Cleansing Purifying Sea Salt Scrub, 40 ml. Clarins Exfoliating Cleanser, that is full size, 125 ml, and retails at 22 quid. Now I'm glad to see a full size cleanser. Dermalogica Special Cleansing Gel, 50 ml, not full size, 150 is full size. Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Universal Daily Peel, the same 5 sachets, not full sized. Inkey List Caffeine Eye Cream, 5 ml, is indeed full size, retailing at $8.99. This is a product that sold out after Caroline Hirons praised it. I haven't tried this one. I have to get through the Ordinary's Caffeine Under Eye Serum first. LanoLips LanoStick Minty, £13 is the retail price. Living Proof Dry Volume Blast, travel size, Molten Brown Geranium Bath and Shower Gel, 100 ml, full size is 300 people. Rodial Witch Sea Sheet Mask. Hang on, we saw that Babo sheet mask just before this. So 2 sheet masks and under eye patch in the same set. Oskia Nutriactive Day Cream, 40 ml, retailing at £65. That is a sort of big ticket skincare in this collection. So Oskia is this year's big brand. Last year you didn't actually have one big brand because there's so many. Philip Kingsley Itchy Flake Shampoo and Peter Thomas Roth Cucumber Mask, 30 ml, full size is 150. The beauty collection for him has only 17 products. The Her collection has 19. Keep that in mind. Now this has 3 sheet masks, eye and face together. 5 full-size products, just like the collection for her. Now while I agree that there is no Gouache Stone or Jade Roller or Eve Lom Cleanser or Nars Mini Orgasm Blush or Romerovita Queen of Hungary Mist or there's usual suspects or Ico Liner or Morphe and so on, I feel that this is uninspired compared to last year. It is uninspired anyway. I wouldn't buy this. Honest opinion here. The number of full-size products has come down drastically. 11 last year, 5 this year. Yeah, count those sheet masks, fine. 11 last year, 7 this year, even so. Now you know why I've been rather annoyed in a lot of my videos this year compared to last year when I pretty much lied to a lot of curations and bought 5 advent calendars. So what do you think? Don't you think that this is very uninspired? Particularly when you think about last year's. If you got last year's, I'm pretty sure that you're very disappointed. Anyway, do tell me your thoughts in the comments below. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up. Please hit the subscribe button. Please do ring the notifications bell, and I'll speak to you soon.